Hi, Nico. What are you doing, little buddy? What are you looking for? Nico is 7 months. Today is like August 25th. Yep, that's Doran. That's normal. Can you check again? What's under there? What is it making some noise? So Nico was bending over his chair. I love your hand wave. Oh, you're so adorable. I wanna, yum, 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 yum. I'm gonna eat you up. He wants to sit up, and Nico looks over and peeks over the side. What is going on? Because the mother, oh, it's making a noise. What is that noise, Nico? So he's peeking to see what that is. What is that noise? Seriously, babe.
I don't know. I think something fell in.
Oh, he has to check what it is. He has to check what that noise is, huh? Oh, doesn't sound good. Oh, is it breaking? Look at him peek over. Yeah, like, what is that noise in my chair? Hey, you little chicken. Hey, you can sit up by yourself now. Oh, he's peeking. What's going on? Oh, you're so yummy. You're so incredibly yummy. Aww. Nico, something's going on. It's when he gets in that position it makes that noise too. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. What is that noise? My chair is making a noise.